So today I am here with a new thing. We will be learning the sound of TH. TH का sound क्या होता है? We'll be learning more about that. Okay? कहीं कहीं पे TH का sound is the and कहीं कहीं पे TH का sound is th. So let us get started. Come, let's do it. So children, what is this? B-A-T-H. Bath. Bath. Bath मतलब नहाना. So what is the sound of TH? Th. Bath. Th. Okay? So if we put this TH in front of IN, let us see what it becomes. T-H-I-N. Thin. ऊपर क्या था? Bath. यहाँ पे क्या है? Thin. ठीक है? T-H-I-N. Thin. तो थ. इसका pronunciation थ. Now, if we put this TH in front of UMB, it becomes T-H-U-M-B. Th. Umb. Th. Umb. Thumb. Okay? So, इसका sound है थ. So, bath, thin and thumb. Th. But when we put this TH in front of EN, let us see what it becomes. Now, THEN. हम लोग क्या इसको thin बोलेंगे? अभी इसका sound क्या था? थ. Is it thin? No, it is not thin. It is then. 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 The. इसका sound change हो गया. It has become the. Then. Now we'll put this TH in between MO and ER. ठीक है? इसको हम लोग नीचे लाएंगे and we will put this in between MO ER. Let us see. It becomes what? It will become mother. 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 The. इसका sound क्या हो जाएगा? The. Mother. ठीक है? So the sound of TH is different with different letters. Bath, thin, then, the. देखा? थ से द हो गया and mother. I hope you all understood the sound of TH, children. It is different with different letters. See you children next week. Till then, bye bye. Take care.